In this video, I'm going to teach you about central angles. So this looks difficult, but it's not. And this is a quick video that'll take you through this, and you'll understand it once we're done. So if we have a problem like this that says the circle graph shows Natasha's friend's favorite ice cream flavors. What is the measure of the central angle for strawberry? And we could see all the different flavors and what percentage of the people liked what flavor. Okay, that's what that means there in that chart. So looking at the graph, we could see that 20% of the friends chose strawberry. Okay, so we know that there are 360 degrees in a circle. Okay, so 360 degrees in a circle. So we need to find 20% of 360. What does that mean? Of always means multiply. Okay, so that's like a little trick that you have to remember. And don't forget to change the percentage to a decimal. You just move the decimal here at the end of the 20 twice over. 1, 2. So we're left with 0.2 times 360. And when you calculate that out, you get the answer of 72 degrees. So the measure of the central angle for the strawberry section is 72 degrees. So don't worry if you don't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos that are similar to this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that will take you right to this video, and you could watch as you follow along in the ebook. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.